Congratulations, you just set up your Markate account. But where on earth is the Kate AI Estimator? Let's walk you through it. First, you want to make sure to update your line items to reflect accurate pricing. Navigate to Sales on the top menu, then select Items from the drop-down. You can edit your services and pricing here by hitting Manage and then Edit. You can then access the Kate AI Estimator by selecting More from the top menu bar and then Add-ons from the drop-down. Simply tap Manage under Kate AI Estimator, then select a new estimate on the next page. Tell Kate about your job, entering the service type, and other general information. You can upload photos or even record your voice here for Kate to analyze. Answer the questions Kate gives you, then review the line items that Kate presents to ensure accuracy. Now, you can even make necessary adjustments to the job right through the chat with Kate. Hit Generate Estimate and let Kate work her magic. On this next page, you can review the itemized estimate that Kate created as well as a confidence rating. As long as your confidence rating score is in the 80 to 100% range, it should be good to go to your customer. Kate will also advise upsells on this page so that you can bring home more revenue. And finally, just scroll to the bottom, hit Convert to Estimate, and you're done.